Is your App Store icon suddenly missing from your iPhone? No worries. Here we'll show you 7 proven ways to resolve this issue. Method 1. Add to home screen. Back to home screen first. Switch to the search page. If you can see the App Store app directly, keep pressing on it and tap on Add to home screen. Or, you can search on the box. Long pressing and move it to home screen. Method 2. Restart your device. Besides, you can also restart your iPhone to fix this issue by following the on-screen instructions. Method 3. Check restrictions. Go to Settings. Press on Screen Time greater than Content and Privacy Restrictions. Continue to tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Then allow the App Store restrictions. If asked, enter your screen time passcode. Method 4. Update iOS system. Enter settings. Touch General and Software Update. Then choose Automatic Updates and enable iOS Updates options in it. Method 5. Reset home screen layout. Run settings. Choose General and transfer or reset iPhone. After that, select Reset and tap Reset Home Screen Layout. Continue to tap Reset Home Screen to retrieve the App Store app. Method 6. Reset all settings. Access settings. Choose General, and then scroll down to select Transfer or Reset iPhone. After pressing Reset, tap the Reset All Settings option. Method 7. Repair iOS issues via MagFone. Launch MagFone and choose iOS System Repair. Click Start to choose a repair mode. If you want to save data, select the standard repair mode. Now it's time to download a firmware package. After that, MagFone will help you fix the underlying iOS issues on your iPhone and get the App Store app back.